Why does our stomach growl when we're hungry? That mortifying stomach growl in a quiet room? We've all been there. But it's not what you think. Turns out it's not your stomach screaming for food. It's actually doing the opposite. Think of your gut like a car wash. After processing food, your brain sends waves to push out any leftover crumbs and bacteria. That rumbling sound? It's just air and fluid being squeezed through an empty, echoey tunnel. So that hunger growl is actually a sign your digestive system is cleaning house. Next time it happens, don't be embarrassed. You're just hearing biology in action. Subscribe for more 30-second facts.